Okay, so when you do y over x, this one came out to a fraction. It came out to 1/4, and so y equals 1/4 x. And it says find y when x equals 6. So I put in 6 for x, 1/4 times 6. Well, it's just going to be 6 over 4 because that's 6 over 1. Multiply across. And then that will reduce to 3 over 2. Anytime you can reduce, you can, especially if you can play halvesies, you know. Well, 6 and 4 are both even, so take half. Half of 6 is 3, half of 4 is 2. You do that same thing up here with 4 over 16. Take half, you get half of 4 is 2, half of 16 is 8, and then take half again, and you will get that 1/4. So whenever you can do halves, you should go ahead and do that. So that was 7, 9, and 11 that we did there. Okay, the last bit here, number 13. Write this as an equation, so you can just kind of go through it. Just copy the letter. It says C is 3 times G. Okay, you can kind of get rid of the labels. We're just writing an equation. So C is means equals $3, 3, times, we're going to multiply by G. So C equals 3G. So break it down, just look for your variables, and write out a sentence based on what it's saying. Okay, now the slope is 3. So this axis is kind of funky because you have this jumping up by numbers. So what I want you to do, just be sure you go up 3, over 1 and up 3, and that pattern will continue there. Just be careful of the axes there. So that line will kind of look like that. Go ahead and try out number 14.